Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be unboxing an adopt egg. Let's open. Hey guys, I'm back. Sorry for that. So we're gonna submerge the egg. Okay, in water. How to do this though? Okay, now I'm just letting it submerge for a while. Guys, guess the color of the egg. So, guess the color of the egg. Oh my gosh, it's dirty. I am just submerging the egg still. Thank you guys for waiting. Okay, guys, okay guys, let's see what I'm gonna get. It's a dotted egg, by the way. Whoa! Oh, we didn't get wet. Oh my gosh! There's no way! Guys, I got an owl bear! This is what I got, an owl bear. These are one of my dream pets in Adopt Me. So, there's no way. So, this is the list, guys. What you call this again? List. And here we have a toy poodle, danger egg, a baskel, a water moon bear, an octopus, a crocodile, a frost fury. And we have a owl bear here. This is it from danger egg, and I expected it to be the bat dragon, but do not expect things, guys. Okay, now guys, I'm just gonna make this try. This is so cute, guys. I'm gonna display it in my table, and then I'll record it. Bye, guys.